Most delicious and easy, high-protein Chicken Crunchwrap Supreme that has 71 grams of protein, and compared to Taco Bell's version, it has 4 times more protein and is a much healthier alternative. In a bowl, add diced chicken breast followed by the seasonings listed on screen, mix it together and cook it on medium heat for around 4 minutes on each side. Now grab a warm low-carb tortilla and assemble it in this exact order. Add low-fat Greek yogurt, half of the chicken, low-fat cheese, diced tomato, lettuce, and for the crunch, add some protein chips followed by a small low-carb tortilla. Now pinch the edges towards the middle and repeat the process for the other Crunchwrap and toast them on the bottom side first to seal them up. And that's literally how easy it is. Enjoy.